Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is the divine fruit. You look good, you smell good, you taste good. You're rooted in the right strength. Your roots run deep and is in positivity, prosperity, love, gratitude. In that way, you are able to blossom to divine fruit. You're divinely guided. You are headed in the right direction. As I work to improve and free myself, I strengthen my foundations. Judge the fruits by its roots. My intellect is light. You're a genius. My heart is warmth where I'm loving and I'm so attractive. And my soul is strength where I may bend, but I will not break. I am nurtured by the divine sun, and the fruit I bear reflects my inner light. And I shine, baby, shine. Let that fire glow. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.